Imagine a very low sound ringing out and then fading away. Maybe it's a bell or maybe it's a piano. Then imagine a very high sound with the same instrument, also ringing out and then gradually fading into silence. Imagine the low sound again, but just a little bit higher, so it's gradually approaching the high sound. Then the high sound comes again, but it's a little bit lower, gradually approaching the low sound. Continue alternating between these two sounds, gradually starting to come together. It might help to imagine one sound is hot and one sound is cold, and they're gradually kind of coming to an even mid-range temperature. Continue alternating between these two notes. Maybe it helps to kind of sway from one side and the other as you imagine each note in your head ringing out and then fading away. They're getting closer, but they haven't quite reached the exact middle yet. And they're even closer, almost there. When they finally meet in the middle, hear them sounding together, and then follow the dissipation of that sound until all you can hear is silence.